Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Squarespace and edit site layout. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in squarespace.com and press enter. Once the Squarespace homepage loads, locate the login button at the top right corner of the screen. Click on the login button. You will be directed to a new page prompting you for your account credentials. Enter the email address associated with your Squarespace account. Next, input your password in the designated field. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link to initiate a reset. After entering your credentials, click the Login button to access your account. Once logged in, you will be taken to the Squarespace dashboard. Look for your site under the Websites section. Click on the website you wish to edit. This action will redirect you to the Site Management page. To edit your site layout, click on the Design option in the sidebar menu. From the Design menu, select Site Styles. In the Site Styles section, you can adjust various elements, including fonts, colors. To modify your layout, return to the main menu and click on Pages. Here, you will see a list of all pages on your website. Select the page you want to edit by clicking on its name. This will open the page editor, where you can reorganize content blocks. To add a new content block, click on the plus icon. Choose the type of block you wish to add from the available options. Drag and drop existing blocks to rearrange the layout as desired. To delete a block, click on the block settings and select Delete. Once you're satisfied with the changes, click Save in the top left corner. You can view your changes by clicking the Preview button. If everything looks good, exit the preview to return to the dashboard. Congratulations, you've successfully logged into Squarespace and edited your site layout. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.